All right, guys, let's see what the honey hole has for us. He told me to come pick it up. He called me Monday. I told him I'd be here on Wednesday. Here I am, getting ready to back in, see what we got. All right, everybody, Scrappable Grandpa. What's next? Here we are. Let's see what we got in our honey hole today. What have we got in the honey hole today? Oh yeah, we got metal. Yes sir, we got metal. Metal, metal, more metal. Sweetness. All right guys, let's get this loaded. And away we go. It's got metal heaven. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Whew. Oh man, that's got some weight to it. Whew. Oh, maybe not. Oh, this might be aluminum. Oh yeah, it's aluminum. Aluminum goodness. It goes in the back of the truck. Whew. Aluminum. I'll be a little bit slower loading, obviously, by myself. But yeah, it's not gonna kill me. Ain't gonna kill me. Oh man, that's the piece that's heavy. Gosh, I don't even know if I can get that in the truck. Whew, that's heavy. Grandpa's only working with half of what I got here, so yeah. Oh Lord have mercy. Definitely gonna be a little more difficult than when I have two people. Or better yet, when I have two arms. This is gonna be tough. Just roll it there, that thing is heavy. Oh goodness. That's a heavy door. It's got the glass in it too, so that's probably one thing that's making it heavy. Heavy. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh boy. Oh, it's not good with one arm. Not good at all. Let's see if we can find a way to make this work. I mean, you do what you got to do, right, people? Do what you got to do. Come on, baby, stay there. Might take me a little longer, but I'll get it. Oh man, my shoulder just popped. Okay. Of course, if I can get it to stand up, that'll give me a little more room. Aluminum goodness. Aluminum. Oh yeah. There's some goodness right here. Goodness, goodness everywhere. Even bringing this in as dirty aluminum, I'll do okay with it since it was free. If I can figure out a way to get it up there. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee, guys. Grandpa's feeling the burn. Feeling the burn. Whew. Yes, sir. Lord have mercy. This is definitely not aluminum. Goodness gracious. I'm trying to figure out how to pick stuff up with one arm. Bigger stuff. This is the first time I picked up anything this big. And I am feeling it, guys. Lord have mercy. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm telling you what. 2 hands. Ooh, 2 arms is a blessing. And I am not blessed right now. Oh, so much pain. All right, see if we can get this thing in there without killing myself. Let me turn around. Good God, that's a heavy door. Why they gotta make these things so heavy? Why? That daggum thing weighs over 100 pounds by itself. Oh, Lord have mercy. Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna struggle with this for sure. Ooh-wee, what a deal. Ooh. Good God, I'm glad they ain't got many more than this. Lord have mercy, I'll be dead by the time I'm done. What we got down here? Plastic. I'll throw all that plastic over here. Still a beautiful day. I'll have to just deal with the pain. Yep, I haven't picked up anything as big as this stuff yet. Oh. So now I am. Ooh-wee, I'm feeling it. Good Lord. Can't believe Paul. Whew, man. That boy needs to grow up. That boy needs to grow up, everybody. Paul is 56-year-old kid. Literally is a 56-year-old kid, not grown up. I guess that's what happens when you live with mama. Ooh. That's what happens when you live with mama for too long. And she's been really taking care of Paul for years. Wasn't for her, Paul would probably be in worse shape than what he is. I'm hoping that these 3 months will wake him up, because he really needs a wake-up call for what he's doing. Paul needs a wake-up call. I'm hoping this is it, guys. Really hoping this is it. Paul's got to grow up. Of course, you guys don't know Paul except for my videos, so I'm not going to give him up completely. But he's got to grow up, change his life. Change his life around. When he gets out of jail, he literally does not have a house to move into. His house will be in foreclosure. His mother's house will be in foreclosure when he gets out. Unfortunately, he went in 2 months behind on mortgage. And yeah, and his mom moved to Arizona, so she's not helping. She used to pay it. Now that mama's gone, Paul and his brother had to pay it. And yeah, they paid about 2 months and quit. So they're 2 months behind. Yep, 2 months behind. And well, according to his mom, it's a little bit more than that, but anyway, I ain't trying to give it up on Paul. I love the guy to death, but he definitely has problems. I hate it too, because I could use him right now. Good time. Hoo-wee. Good Lord. I'm gonna pay for this today. I'm trying to figure out how to grab it. I'm gonna pay for this tonight. I can feel it. You notice I've been working in my shop just doing a little light duty stuff. Whew, this is not light duty at all. This is not light duty. Oh boy. I want to thank every single one of you guys for sticking with me here on my channel with Scrapping with Grandpa, because I appreciate it 100%. I say never give up. Never give up. Never, never. These things are usually pretty heavy too. Thank goodness this is all they have here. Although my other honey hole called me too. This is Caliber Collision in Bowling Springs. My honey hole in Southport, Caliber Collision, called me. And they want me to pick up their load. He said he probably has a full load, and the good thing about that is there is somebody there that will help me. Because I definitely could not do it on my own. It'd probably take me all day long to fill this trailer from Caliber Collision in Southport, because they always have a big load. And God, it's stinky back here. It smells like a big turd. Oh yeah. Ew, smells like a turd in there. Thank God you can't smell that. Smells like somebody went in there and did a full-blown turd. Gosh, it smells just like the outhouse. What the hell? It smells like an outhouse every time I walk in between these things. Ooh, that knocked me out. Yeah, I don't think I'll be picking up anything after this load today. This has got me in a little bit of pain, I ain't gonna lie. Yep, already in pain. Whew. A little bit harder than I want to be working, but I don't want to miss my honey holes, guys. My honey holes is what keeps me going. And when they call and say they got a load, that means come get it. Because if you don't, the guy that used to do it would probably come right back. And nah, we don't want that. Yeah. And the last guy didn't keep up. So they're kind of expecting me to. Oh, that's trailer wheels, man. Trailer wheels. They wore out, but the rims are good. Yeah. So fortunately, even if I just take my time with this load, like I say, I'm not going to the other one today. I think I can do it. But I'm not going to lose my honey hole. I'm not being able to pick it up. I'm not going to do that. The only thing I'm a little bit disappointed is I'm not seeing a lot of aluminum. Usually when I come here, they got 100 pounds. 100 pounds or so of aluminum. Generally, radiator or something. When they repair a car, usually there's going to be a radiator involved. So, but I'm just not seeing it. And them cross members, usually they're aluminum. Cross member there, cross member there. Got one from over here. Generally they are aluminum. These are all steel today. So here's what it is. You take the good with the bad. Oh my word. This stuff is so heavy. I didn't realize how heavy it was until trying to do it with one arm, I'm gonna tell you. Huh. Killer. Killer. Let's see here. Oh yeah. That's plastic. No plastic. I'm gonna get up there in a minute, move that forward. Move it forward. Yeah, I was hoping to get both honey holes today. So I'm gonna get a honey hole today. Which, like I said, is not a bunch of stuff, but I think it's all I'm gonna be able to do. After feeling the burn, feeling the burn. Oh my God. I hate to be a complainer, but damn it. Really. Whew. Okay. Yeah, usually these, when I get them, they're a nice fat piece of extrusion aluminum, but this time, not the case. Extrusion. 90 cents a pound. The best aluminum you can get is extruded. Okay. All right, I think I better get in there and stand up a few things before I go to putting any more on the back there. Heck, we got here hood latches. Yep, hood latches. Most everything left-handed, guys. Still blessed, I don't care. Still blessed. Always blessed through Jesus, that's for sure. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. All through Jesus. Definitely give praise to the Lord every day. Hope you do, to be honest with you. I'm not a preacher. I know God is real. God is real. There. He is real, real. The good Lord brought me through my heart attack when I had it. I could have been in a bad place when I had my heart attack. When I had my heart attack, me and some of my crew members that worked for me were at Grandfather Mountain. And the day before we had my heart attack, we was on Grandfather Mountain. We went home that night. Went to bed. A friend of mine showed up from Mount Airy to visit while we were there, and he spent the night. The next morning I woke up with some major heartburn is what I thought. I was having heartburn actually going up the mountain. I had some major heartburn. I was like, what in the world is going on? This does not feel right. And yeah, it wasn't right. So woke up the next morning, sitting around, made a little bit of breakfast for everybody. My friends that were there before they left, I made breakfast, had some bacon and eggs and bread and everything. And my buddy says, all right, man, I'm out of here, you have a good day. And maybe about 10 minutes after he left, I had a massive heart attack and almost died. They flew me to Asheville in a helicopter. Thank goodness they had a helicopter. They said I probably wouldn't have made it without it. So I just feel blessed to be alive today and every day. Only through Jesus, my friend. Yep, he knew I wasn't finished here on this earth. I still had stuff to do. So he kept me around. I'm telling you, I'm blessed. Thank you, Lord. Again, I ain't trying to be no preacher. I'm just saying. Just saying. Yeah, a little bit at a time. It's going to be gone here in a minute. Be gone in a minute. Oop, damn it. Yeah. Sir, baby. I guess this big piece needs to go in and stand right there. I think I'll do that next. Gosh, what's the easiest way to get up here, right? Let's see if we can go this way. The pain is real. Hey, pain is real. All right. This is when Paul comes in handy. He's sit up in his truck. Oh yeah. Sit up in his truck and I would pass it to him. I just got off the phone with his daughter, actually. If you watch my videos, you probably met her before. Her name is Andrea. Not Andrea, they call it Andrea. Andrea. What I told her was, come over to my house tonight and I'll give her some money to put on Paul's card, because when he went in there absolutely broke, because the first of the month had already went by and Paul blows all of his money for a whole month in about the first 3 days. So he'd get a check and 3 days later he is broke. And if he's not paying his bills, it's got to be something else. It's got to be something else. Because he gets $1,000 right out a month, and he didn't pay no bills and he's broke in 3 days. That means he's doing something he ain't supposed to be doing. Something he ain't supposed to be doing. Oh my God. Oh, that was killer. Oh, Paul, where are you, my friend? I mean, I've known Paul for, I think I met Paul when he was 16, and he's 57 now. 16. I've known him for like 41 years, Paul. 41 years. When I had a roofing company, or I should say I met him because I worked for his uncle. Now, pull that down a different way. I'm trying to figure out how to get this thing in the truck. I went to work for his uncle. What was his name? I can't even remember his name. Elmer Creech, that was it. That was Paul's uncle. And I needed a job. I was married, had 3 stepkids. Yeah, had 3 stepchildren. And I had to support my family, so I went to work with his uncle doing roofing. Something I'd never done before. But what I did find out about roofing is, even a monkey can do it. Seriously, a monkey can do shit. So it wasn't that hard to learn. And as soon as I learned how to do the basic roofing steps, Scrap with Grandpa went to work for me. Went to work for me doing exactly the same thing, roofing. I started a business and I called it A and B. First name being Andrew, last name being Buzzle. Didn't know what else to name it, so I just named it A and B for Andrew Bustle. I think this stuff's plastic. Yeah, Andrew Bustle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a chunk of steel. A chunk of steel. See, I get heavy steel for that. Number 1 steel at least. I don't think I'm gonna separate it today though. I don't even know if I'll separate it at all. Although the price of metal, I should, because number 1 steel brings, I want to say 10 cents, and right now I'm only getting 7 damn cents for my scrap metal, and that's just no money at all. Think about it, 7 cents a pound. That means you bring in 1,000 pounds, you make $70. So I'm expecting this to be about 800 pounds, maybe. Yeah, maybe. So that tells you what you're making right now. 7 cents is not much. So you really got to be hustling. Like my buddy, well, it's not my buddy, but somebody that I know now. We'll save this stuff for old cast, dirty cast. Junk and grind. Junk and grind. He's a worker. I wish I lived near him. Yep. Junk and grind. He is a working fool. Always grinding. Always hustling. That's what he calls, that's what he always says. Always hustling. Junk and grind. Hello, my friend. I want to shoot your name out there for my YouTube subscribers. Maybe go check you out, because you're a pretty cool cat. Hard working dude. Junk and grind. I seen him working with his brother the other day. Working with his brother, helping him out, getting some big stuff. He's got one of them Tommy lifts on the back of his truck. He is blessed. For sure blessed. Tommy lift. He puts heavy stuff up there, right up into the back of his truck. Now, if I had refrigerators to pick up, I'd have to turn it down. Now, where is this thing? I think it's metal. Could be. It could be. Oh, I see. It's metal covered. It's garbage. That's what it is. Metal covered with plastic. Yep, metal with plastic. All right, we almost got this, guys. Almost got this. Grandpa's feeling blessed, for sure. Tomorrow I'll go pick up my other honey hole, and hopefully I'll be able to get it into the same trailer with help. I'm not going to be able to do it by myself. I can already tell that. I'll probably be there all day long trying to load this trailer. And then I don't know if I'd get it loaded, so let's get this up and call it a day for me, because I am freaking done. I am done, guys. Yeah, this took a lot more out of me today than what I expected. Yep, oh my goodness. Why is this metal got to be so heavy? It sure doesn't feel that heavy when you got two hands. Maybe I'll have, maybe I'll have 1,000 pounds. I don't think so, though. I think I'm under or over calculating, oh yeah, my weight because of how heavy it feels. Only using one arm. Damn it, man. I'll have to make a specific time. I'll have to make a specific time tomorrow to go pick up at my honey hole, because the guy that works there, the guy that hooked me up with the honey hole, actually, Paul's cousin, told me that he would help me because he knows I just had an operation. He doesn't want me to lose any steel. So he's going to help me, guys, which I'll appreciate 110%. Ooh-wee. I think that was it. I don't think they want to give me these tires. They sure look like the rims would fit my trailer, but the rubber wouldn't. So I'm saying I'm just going to leave it there because I just don't know what to do with them. I can't really do much with tires and rubber. Yeah, what they're doing is they're using cans like this for cardboard. It's got a little wood in it and it stinks. It's got glass, plastic. Yep. So I'm guessing that this is going to be the glass, the plastic, and the wood, heavy wood. And this one here is nothing but cardboard. All right, guys, I'm gonna make sure this stuff's not gonna fly out of my truck when I'm driving down the street. It's a little light. Let me see if I can get back up there again. It's actually pretty heavy. I don't think it's gonna blow out. Pretty heavy. Almost done. Almost done. I'll leave that on the floor because if I stand that up over there, it's have to blow right out of my truck. All right, guys, let's lock this thing up. Till next time. What's next? What's next? What's next? Scrap more.